say. Let's talk about the storm that's in our area now. And Rosemary, I think it's one of those things where the rain's not so bad now. It's just how continuous and how long it's going to be here that we're going to see the problems continue to grow throughout the day and this week.
Yes, this storm expected to last for about 48 hours, and then we'll have another chance of some scattered showers and light rain Wednesday into Thursday. So we're looking at several days of soggy weather with accumulations expected anywhere from a couple of inches over areas of the South Bay to 8 inches or so over the Santa Cruz Mountains. Here's a look at the last 24 hours. Funny to note, because yesterday morning, it was clear, it was cold, it was dry. But in towards the evening hours, the North Bay started to receive some of that rainfall first. And take a look at Santa Rosa. Has already reported 77/107 inch, so more than 3/4 reported in Santa Rosa. We have days to go still. San Francisco, a little bit less than 1/10 of an inch, and then San Jose reporting traces. So the Central and South Bay, not so much, but the North Bay has picked up 1/2 inch or so, even more than that, as I showed you for Santa Rosa. Storm Tracker 2 there. Now we've got the widespread rainfall over areas from the coast to our inland cities. It's generally light. A little bit of a breeze out there, a little windy in our hills, but the wind advisory doesn't start until 4 o'clock this afternoon. Where we're seeing some rain just south of Inverness over towards Bolinas, Mill Valley, San Rafael, Novato. We've got areas over Mount Tam and, of course, the Marin Headlands there. And then it shifts over towards the Golden Gate. We've got a wet Bay Bridge. We've got a wet Richmond San Rafael Bridge. San Francisco down along the coastline from Ocean Beach into Half Moon Bay. And then over towards the east, we've got some light rain. Let's move south a little bit and see if we've got anything going on over Los Gatos and the Santa Cruz Mountains. It's just very light hit or miss over the Santa Cruz Mountains still at this time. But into the East Bay, from the East Bay shore into areas San Ramon, Concord, stretching all the way towards Antioch and Brentwood. Few 107 inch already reported over areas like Antioch and Brentwood as well. Into the Sierra, the snow has begun and will continue until Tuesday, with the winter storm warning in place until Tuesday night. Snow levels are expected to drop down below Colfax in that area, perhaps 2,500, 3,000 feet by Tuesday. But really, the takeaway here is just how much snow we are looking at for the higher elevations. We could see 8 feet of new snow in the Sierra, and boy, we could use it. Let's talk about the wind advisory. It starts at 4 o'clock this afternoon, will go until tomorrow morning. Winds could gust 40 to 50 miles per hour for the Central Bay and the South Bay. Does not include the North Bay. But again, already breezy in our hills. Generally light around the Bay Area. 13 miles per hour reported SFO, Half Moon Bay 16. But in the hills, Mount Diablo reporting 36, Oakland North reporting 25, Big Rock Ridge reporting 37. So wet and windy today, tomorrow. Better details on the timeline and your temperatures expected as we get into the coming days here in just a little bit.